Welcome to the Melly
and Shally show.
Show where we unpack the LIQUI MOLY range, one product at a time.
So today's product specific will be our Radiator Stop Leak, and this is an awesome product to help prevent any leaks coming from a radiator.
Shally calls every product awesome, so then you know someone is passionate about the range. But I know it's because he also listens to all the testimonials that come in from this product. So the Radiator Stop Leak is a product that we believe you should have in your car as a lifesaver, as you will just see just now how this will save your life if you have long distances and there's actually no one that can assist if you have a small little hole in the radiator. So we've actually, if you can see everywhere, you'll see there's glitter all over the show. But the Radiator Stop Leak, many times small little rocks have jumped up and hit against the radiator and make these small little holes like a sieve, and that then loses the pressure in the radiator system. And we all know the radiator is the big part of the engine with the engine itself, where it actually makes sure that it keeps the engine cool. So you cannot you losing water and losing the pressure and that ability to keep the engine cool is not going to be a really good result on the engine side when it starts to overheat.
So to avoid you losing the engine and the engine overheating, we recommend using this product for hairline cracks. So as Mel mentioned, any stone chips or hairline cracks that appear on the core of the radiator or within the circuit going to your cylinder head. So this is an amazing product to add just to the coolant, and with this it has got little glitter, so this is the structure of the product inside. Please note this has also been tested for coolant systems, so it will not create any blockages or leakages where it will be able to circulate sufficiently.
So even though it sparkles, it has unbelievable effect in your engine. So a lot of people ask me, can I add it to my engine just to be able to make sure if I do get a small little hole? I normally say no, so that you can actually see when you do have the hole, you add the Radiator Stop Leak and you can actually see how it works. So if the hole is quite big, then the Radiator Stop Leak is not going to work. But if it's with a small hairline crack like Shally just mentioned, or small little holes, it is going to make sure that it permanently, until you replace the radiator, is going to seal that hole. So you don't have to only drive for 80 kilometers. So I know there's an area that I drive from Douglas all the way to Uppington. I think it's about 400 kilometers. There is nothing. If there's a bird flying by, you get excited. So if something like that would happen on that road, what would you do? Then the best thing is to make sure you just add the Radiator Stop Leak. It's tested, so none of the glitter or anything that it's made of is going to get stuck in any filters. It's 100% safe to use. Mixes with all radiator fluids, so you know it's a safe product. That's why our product liability is so strong, and you know if you use this product correctly, everything else is covered by our product liability. So let us quickly show you how it works. So this is a visual illustration, so please, it's just a way that we can actually show you how the Radiator Stop Leak works. So we've taken a little plastic bottle, made a small little couple of small holes in there. That would, the same if you have the pressure of the engine, you're going to have the water that is going to be doing this. So I don't know if you on the video can actually see how the water is spraying all over the show. So imagine now you have all these small little holes creating havoc, and you can see the temperature of your vehicle increasing. So all you do is you add the Radiator Stop Leak to your radiator. We're making a nice big mess. At least there's glitter, so it feels like we're making it look all nice. So as the engine is going to start moving, it is going to mix with all the water. And what is going to happen is as soon as pressure is applied, it is going to stop the leak. Why does it work like that, Shally? Do you want to explain? Yeah,
so in the radiator itself, there's two elements you have, is heat and pressure. And with the oxygen coming from the outside, it builds the protective barrier, which is generated by these little particles. So with that, it permanently seals that leak wherever it may be, until Mel mentioned you remove that fluid and you have to reapply that or fix the problem.
So please just note, in your vehicle, the water will heat up. You've got the pressure from the engine and you've got the air from the outside because you have that hole. So this is just an illustration. So I can mix it around now, squeeze it again, and you'll see it again will stop the pressure. This is just to illustrate how it works. But in the vehicle, because of the temperature change, because of the pressure, it will go and seal that small little hole so that you have no worry about your radiator losing pressure or fluid, and you can go on holiday or on your road trip. So the Radiator Stop Leak is a product that Make sure that you do have it in your emergency kit in your boot, and it's going to make sure that you can keep on continuing that holiday trip or any trip without having a headache. Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak. Thank you for watching the Melly
and Shally Show.